What's going on, YouTube family and friends? Welcome back to the Making Easy Money YouTube channel, where our main focus and goal is to make money in the stock market. And what we came to discuss here in today's video is PLTR. As you all know, I do consider this the best stock to buy under the Trump administration for many reasons. And as you all know, we're still holding on our $125 strike call options, which expire here on February 14th. Stick around for my end of the week for next week's tradings price prediction. Also, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to consider joining our Discord server so you won't miss out on home run plays like you see here today. I alerted OKLO back on November 18th for the entry price of $21.55, with that price target being 37 cents plus, labeling this a hold. And as you guys can see here, the stock has seen a high of $59.14 again from our alert entry of only $21.55. And if we take a brief look and check out those interval stats, the stock was alerted here on this day, and if we get those stats, it is up over 217% since we have alerted this stock. And like I said before, guys, you too can get my alerts in real time. All you have to do is stop what you're doing, drop down in that description below, click that Discord link, and let the gains begin. And today, our 50% off membership ends here, so you may want to get over to the Discord immediately. And while we're here, don't forget to give me a follow over on X at OBIMEM. And for all you Palantir shareholders out there, can you do me one huge favor and comment the ticker symbol in the comment section below? I want to see how many of the viewers is currently holding the stock. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, like I said plenty of times in the past, Palantir is going to be the best option far as a buy and hold during the Trump administration for many reasons, and one of those is being basically border control. In fact, the DeepSync news was also a great catalyst for a company like Palantir, ladies and gentlemen. No matter who wins the AI battle, Palantir will also win. As you all know, this thing has gotten great earnings reports here, 3 consecutive earnings in a row, and that has resulted in a massive uptrend. Like I told you guys before, if we do get a great earnings report, expect to see similar trajectory that we got from the previous earnings, and we did see a 99.76% in gain here from earnings to earnings. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, expect a similar trajectory here from this earnings report, which can actually bring the stock towards those $200 levels here before the quarter is over with. Now, I know a lot of people may say that isn't likely to happen at all, but you never know, especially with the huge advancements that AI has made here just in the last quarter alone. Not only that, under the Trump administration, we expect to see even more government contracts land in the hands of Palantir, especially during this quarter and the speed and fashion that the Trump administration is currently moving in. Not only that, the reconstruction of past and present government contracts is also in store for Palantir, which can only strengthen the revenue for the company. Another thing I want you guys to pay close attention to here in Palantir is the options chain. We're starting to see that $125 strike, which expires here next Friday. We're starting to see the open interest swell here. As you guys can see, you're currently at 2,000. Yesterday, it wasn't above 1,000. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I do feel as though that our $125 strike call option is going to make a nice return here. And if you're still holding onto this call option, can you drop in the comment section below the words "still holding with you. Now, far as my end of the week price prediction for Palantir here next week, I do feel as though that the stock stands a very great chance to test those $125 levels here early next week. Yes, we're seeing down market overall here. As you guys can see here, decliners are outweighing advancers by a wide margin. With that being said, seeing as though that Palantir is still holding up here while the semiconductor sector as a whole is down, is a very great sign and symbol of the strength of the stock. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, if you haven't already, like I said before, don't forget to consider joining our Discord server so you will get all of my alerts in real time. And if you haven't already, don't forget to consider hitting that subscribe button, and may the gains be with you.